If you want to change size of a widget on Google Pixel 10, what you can do is simply press and hold your finger on the widget, and then once you have that option that allows you to change the position of the widget, just drop it back again into its place. And then you should be able to see those circles on sides of the widget, and you can grab by these circles in order to extend the size or of course make the widget smaller. And in some cases, of course, we have some limits. So for example, I cannot make a smaller widget, at least this widget cannot be smaller than what it is right now. And in some other cases, we have additional limitations in terms of the size. So for example, in the case of this Spotify widget, as you can see, I only have circles on left and right side. So I cannot make it like bigger, I cannot change its height pretty much. I can make it smaller like this, but as you can see, this is the limit as well. And in some cases, of course, we cannot change a widget size at all. So in some cases, you might not be able to find resize options, depending on the widget itself. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.